Entrepreneurship and the economic importance of SMS. Introduction. Modern economy requires people and business to innovate, adapt, and create value. Entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship encourage this transition, but they are distinct. Entrepreneurship is about seizing market opportunity and launching a firm. In contrast, entrepreneurship involves running a company like entrepreneur. Both process faster innovation, job creation, and national competitiveness. They work in diverse environments and have a distinct risk and resource dependence. Like these innovators, small and medium-sized business (SMEs) are vital to their communities, national and global economies. Micro, small, and medium-sized firms account for 90% of business, 60 to 70% of jobs, and half of global GDP, according to UN. By 2030, 600 million jobs are needed to accommodate population increase. Policymakers must promote entrepreneurship and small company growth to achieve this. This essay discussed 3 learning goals more than a podcast transcript. First, entrepreneurship definition, difference, and importance. Small business economic impacts. Case studies of small business affects across geography. Entrepreneurship environments, examining outside elements that support or hinder employees. The essay contextualizes entrepreneurship and SMS in 2024-2025 economy using new research, study and policy document. It also offers advice on how aspiring entrepreneur might adapt to the changes. Entrepreneur. Definition, key characters. Entrepreneurs start new business and to capitalize on market opportunities. Entrepreneurs risk money to help others. They often disrupt industry with innovation products or services. Entrepreneurs discover a market chance and launch a new firm to take advantage of, according to Park University. The same resource emphasizes the entrepreneurs take any most risk to create money by advertising market requirements to advancing technology. Many great entrepreneurs are determined, persistent, creating, risk-taking, and leaders. World Bank 2025. In contrast, entrepreneur involve running a company like entrepreneur and an established company. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology meet definition. Entrepreneur of starting a new business or venture with an organization. Entrepreneur use the company's money, brand, reputation, and infrastructure to create new products, service, or process. Working for a large firm means entrepreneurs don't risk their own money, but they still face instability and internal politics. According to MIT professor Michael Consuma, entrepreneur leverage business resource instead than beginning from scratch. Thus they avoid personal risk. Gmail, the Facebook like button and 3MS posted. Note: create during 20% of time policy. Our entrepreneurial project employees seeking innovation company processing begin all of projects. Who owns the risk and gain to help disgusting are the two. Entrepreneurs invest their time, money, and reputation in a business and are accountable for its success or failure. Entrepreneurs work for existing business. In their proposed work, they might win bonus or promotion. If not, they won't lose personal assets. According to MIT, entrepreneurs can own or buy things outside their organization, but entrepreneurs labor inside. They must ensure they afford meet company goals. University 2024. Why economy today need both? Due to quick technology, worldwide rivalry, and challenging client tasks, company must constantly innovate. Entrepreneurship create new business and innovation that revolutionize the industry. New biotechnology, fintech, and green energy startups are challenging old company with new technology or business strategy because they are constrained from heritage or mortal methods. Entrepreneurs might move swiftly, they capitalize on possibilities and change their through rapidly. Startups generally struggling to raise funds and growth. Entrepreneurs help establish companies complete by harnessing employees and inventiveness, meet and build outlets. Argues entrepreneurship goes behind business. He argued it about creating profitable new project and business model any place. Many entrepreneurs lack the tools, network, and distribution channels of large companies. This company might test new idea companies. The Lockheed Martin struck word is entrepreneur defense project, and Google's 20% time policy create. Gmail, this measure help establish organizations adapt to changing market and avoid the innovations dilemma of sticking into ideas. Rashid Al, 2025. This applies to startups, small business and large companies. Entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial action occur in all the sizes and growth phases of business. The next section demonstrates how these two nations appear in the small firms, large companies, and startups. New companies. Startups are idea for business. A founder or starting team founds a market need, develop business idea, and raise the funds. This money can come from saving family, loans, or investors. Startup must be lean and fast due to limitation fund and resources. However, they don't face antiquated system of bureaucracy. Startups generally require multitasking. Those team members often their own projects, making them similar entrepreneur meets Sloan School of Management 2018. Small and medium-sized enterprises are well-known low-resources firms with strong local market linkage. Small business entrepreneurs must constantly innovate to locate rich markets, improve their products, or streamline their operations. However, SMEs have clients, revenue streams, and business models. However, the modest size allowed them quickly adapt to new threats and opportunities. Small business can encourage entrepreneurship by letting staff lead new project or process. However, finance and risk aversion can find entrepreneurship. Big business. Big firms have a global network, resource, and well-known brands. The bulk can stiffen them company entrepreneurship, promote innovation, and combat bureau legacy. Many firms have projects. Employees can propose, prototype, and test idea in a safe space. In these cases, entrepreneurs must navigate organizational politics and demonstrate market viability. Entrepreneur and entrepreneur complement each other. Startup challenge established organization and innovate to transform industry.